All right. And how much you bought it for? Like, if someone want to invest now, so how much they need to pay for
So
it?
roughly,
How much rental you are getting from this property?
and it's a very great place to invest into if you are looking to invest into New York.
All right.
All
So
right.
now you discussed about Section 8. Actually, can you explain what is Section 8? Like, let's
Section
have a
8
property tour,
Sure.
and we'll see, like, how's
So-
the property condition.
So
from
this is
one property with my one friend. His name is Raja Umad Said from New York, and now we are going to visit property. So first let's ask some questions from Umad. So Umad, first thing, where are we located right now?
this is Morris Park in the Bronx, one of the very nice neighborhoods in the Bronx. A lot of Muslims live around here. It's a very diverse neighborhood, and it's a very great place to invest into if you are looking to invest into New York.
All right. So like, this is how many family house? Like
So basically, this is a three-family, 4 bedrooms over 4 bedrooms over 3 bedrooms. All apartments have 2 bathrooms, and they have their own heating system, their own water heating system. Everything is on the tenants. Basically, the only thing I pay for is the cold water, and I pay for the hallway lighting and the outside lighting. Legally, that I have to pay.
all right. So you paid for just the hot
Exterior
water-
lights, exterior lights,
street
and
lights.
cold water.
street
Hot water.
lights and cold water only.
Yes.
All right. And how much you bought it for? Like, if someone want to invest now, so how much they need to pay for
So
this?
roughly something like this, you're looking at 1.4 to 1.5 million,
Alright.
depending on the condition. I actually just renovated most of it myself. Did new kitchens, new bathroom. The only apartment which we are going to see, are able to see today, that one has updated kitchen, but the bathrooms are old because they were usable, so I didn't think that it needed to be redone. But the bathrooms on the third floor, I redid. The kitchen, I redid. I redid the kitchen on the first floor and the bathrooms as well.
All right. So, like you're saying, it will cost around 1.4 to 1.5 million.
Yes.
So, how much rental you are getting from this property?
So roughly, we're getting like around $11,000, which includes the parking. So I have 4-car parking. All my tenants have the parking spot. So the one in the back, which is under the cover, one car right behind this can fit, which is not occupied yet. And then you have two cars here as well. So they pay for the parking as well.
All right. So, like, you are getting around 11,000 for the rental, and then parking spots you are getting.
It's included.
It's included in that
11, yes.
11K. All right, that's perfect. So it's like around, you're getting around 8%.
Yeah, 8 to 9%. But it all depends on how you structure it. If you want to rent it to regular people, this neighborhood does have a little bit of a higher rental.
All right.
Even if I rent it to regular people, I would still get the same amount of money I'm getting from Section 8. But the reason I prefer Section 8 and why I do Section 8 is because Section 8 is a little bit more secure form of payment.
All right. So now you discussed about Section 8. Actually, can you explain what is Section 8 like?
Section 8 is basically a federally subsidized program. The state and the federal government pays for the tenants who are below poverty level, or who have not enough money to afford an apartment by themselves. So depending on the person's income, Section 8 can either pay for the full rent, or they can pay up to 70%. It all depends on the tenant's finances. So most of the tenants I have, they have like 20-30% share. So let's say the rent is $3,000, they pay $900.
All right.
So it all depends on the tenants'
So,
financials.
what are the requirements, like when you are buying property? How like you can rent it out in Section 8? Like, there are some special requirements for that, or?
Yes. So Section 8 is a little bit, since it's funded by the state and the federal government, mostly federal government. So Section 8 has certain requirements. You have to have the house has to be in a very good condition. Some people do tend to rent it in a crappy condition. We don't. It has to be livable. The window guards, basically, God forbid, if there are any kids, they cannot fall from the windows or jump out of the windows. They have to have smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors. Everything has to be up to date. They have to be very well maintained. So all of these places which we own, all of them are very well maintained. Most of them we renovate before we rent it. So that's one of the requirements for Section 8. So what I would like to tell people is Section 8 is not as easy as it seems, and a lot of people make it seem like it's 1, 2, 3. It's not. We rented an apartment in this building like almost 3.5, 4 months ago. We haven't still got paid. So
Alright.
it usually takes 3 to 4 months for the program to approve the payment. But
Alright.
after that, it's basically like clockwork. You get paid.
All
on
right.
the
So
first.
it's not like this that if government is giving money, so you can just give the property in like a worse condition or something like that. If government is sponsoring here or giving money like for their residents who are below poverty level, still like the government want like best condition, best property, like it should be livable condition, and with all the facilities. And what I have seen here that even like the kitchens are like furnished, you can say semi-furnished, like there's like a cooker is there and stove is there, there's
Yes.
fridge is there.
So legally for Section 8, you don't have to provide a stove or a fridge.
Okay.
We used to. Initially, we started giving fridges and stoves. We still do. But if we do give fridge and a stove, we tell the tenant that if it breaks, it's their responsibility. So we
Alright.
mention it on the lease that it's their responsibility. The
Alright.
reason we do that, because Section 8 requires you to have a fridge and a stove at the premises at the time of inspection.
All right.
Most of these people cannot afford getting a stove right away. So just to avoid the hassle, we just provide it.
All right. So this is something you are doing from your side, like
Yeah.
It's like more effort you are
Yeah,
putting
like
it.
you saw on the other property,
Yeah.
we just bought a stove.
Exactly,
So
new
it all
stuff,
depends.
yeah, for the tenants. All right, awesome, Umad. So, guys, you met with Raja Umad Said, and now let's have a property tour,
Sure.
and we'll see, like how's
So-
the property condition.
So
from-
this is basically a 50 by 100 lot. It's 4,200 square feet livable square footage. Each apartment is like 1,500 roughly. Downstairs is like around 1,200 because we
So
have
it's in square feet, like 1,200 and like.
1,500 square feet per apartment, like 13 and 1,400 and change.
All right.
But just to make the math simple, it's like 1,500.
All right.
And outside, it's 50 by 100. The lot is 50 by 100.
All right. The size, like 50 feet, like width.
50
and
width, 100 deep.
100 deep. All right. Awesome. So it's like around 500 square feet, like the plot size.
5,000 square feet.
50 by 100. All right.
Five.
5,000 square feet plot size, and from which like 1,500 square feet is the apartment size.
13 and change is each floor.
All right.
But the bottom floor is a little bit smaller because we have the boiler room and the laundry room.
All right.
So
Perfect.
this is the backyard sitting area. You have 2 balconies and a sitting area too.
Yeah, we have another realtor standing there, Raja Hassam Shakil from Taj Realty.
And then we have little sheds in the back. There's another shed in the back as well. We can quickly show it to them. Since we have few properties, we have extra material like tiles, extra floors, paint, all the stuff we store here. So if any of the property needs some work,
So this shed belongs to you, like
Yes.
even if you are renting, this still.
so this is all my paint and other stuff which we use for all the properties.
All right, for the maintenance purposes.
Yes.
All right.
We can go upstairs.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go upstairs, have a look at the property from inside, the bedrooms, bathroom. So how many bathrooms do you have in this property?
Six bathrooms.
Okay, so each floor 2, it's mean.
Yeah, 10 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms.
All
Then
right.
you have a mechanical room which has the boiler, and then you have the laundry room. I don't have the keys on the laundry room on me right now. It's locked. This is the laundry room.
Yeah. All right. So this is a boiler room.
Yeah, this is the boiler room. So each floor has its own heating system.
All right, like you did in other property, right?
Yes.
All right.
That one we did it ourselves. This one was already done.
Wow.
That's the storage room. My tenant uses it.
All right.
So the first floor is a walk-in. That's a 2-bedroom. this is the living room with the fireplace.
Okay.
One bedroom.
So this is first bedroom for this one. What's the size of bedroom here?
This is 12 by, no, this is 12, yeah, 12 by 8.
12 by 8.
Yeah.
Alright.
Technically, Section 8 requirement is 8 by 10.
Okay, but this one is bigger than that.
Yes.
Alright, so it's our first bedroom, 12 by 8.
That's the kitchen.
Here we have kitchen.
So this is an older kitchen. I just refaced it, painted it over.
Alright.
The reason why this has white appliances, the tenant is bringing their own appliances.
Okay.
So just to have the inspection pass,
Alright.
we left them like this.
Alright, perfect.
Yeah, but this hood is going to be changed. Everything else is going to stay the same, but the appliances are going to be done.
Alright, perfect.
That's a functional fireplace, has a chimney too.
Amazing.
Another like closet.
Alright, wardrobe is here.
I did the floors too.
Alright, so this one is vinyl, same?
No, it's a hardwood.
Alright, so this one is parquet.
No.
Okay, another bedroom.
This is the bathroom. This one I did an upgrade because it's functional.
Alright.
It's usable. And the tenants who are moving here, they didn't mind it, so I just kept it like this.
Alright.
But the other property you saw, we redid it.
Yep.
All the other apartments.
Yeah, renovation is done there. So this one is third bedroom.
This is the third bedroom here.
Alright.
And this is the master.
Amazing.
Disregard this, it's just there because we just put, I think a smoke detector or something.
Alright.
Master closet.
Alright.
And then this is the master bathroom. This is
So-
also not redone. It's gonna take a while.
Okay, so this one is like attached bathroom
Yeah.
with this room, so therefore it's master bedroom.
Here. And then you have a balcony outside. Right here. We redid this.
Alright, so the tiles you placed,
Yeah.
new tiles. Alright guys, so this was the tour by Raja Umad Said, and I hope you already now know how's the property in United States, especially in New York City. And like this is like 3-family house, and we just visited second floor.
Yes.
And
Third floor is similar but has a brand new bathroom.
Alright.
Brand new bathrooms and brand new kitchen and
Alright.
brand new appliances.
So the third floor also have 4 bedrooms.
Yes.
Second floor also have 4 bedrooms, and ground floor,
2.
first floor is having 2 bedrooms. So like it's like total there are like 10 bedrooms and
6 bathrooms.
6 bathrooms with like there's small yard, parking lots. So all this like complete 3-family house like you can get in 1.4 to 1.5 million. And the rental as per current condition like you can get around $11K dollars per month. So that's it for now, and we'll come back with new location and new topic. Thanks for watching.